Dorma ES200 error codes explained, 0 to L. Intro. Hello guys, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. In today's video, I will explain all error codes of the Dorma ES200 automatic sliding door control board from 0 to L. I will show you the cause of each error and the solution step by step. This is very useful for beginners and technicians. Error code 0, no error, meaning system is normal, no fault stored. Action, no need to do anything. Error code 1, obstruction, cause something blocking the door movement. Solution, check track for dust or objects, check rollers and guide rail, remove obstruction and reset. Error code 2, lock error, cause door lock not working or not releasing. Solution, check electric lock wiring, ensure lock opens properly, turn program switch off and on. Error code 3, program switch, cause program switch fault or wrong signal. Solution, check selector switch wiring, turn program switch off and restart. Error code 4, light barrier, photocell, cause safety sensor blocked or faulty. Solution, clean photocell, check alignment, check wiring connection. Error code 5, incremental encoder, cause encoder not sending correct signal. Solution, check encoder cable, check motor encoder, replace if faulty. Error code 6, backup battery, cause battery low or disconnected. Solution, check battery connection, replace battery if dead, turn program switch off. Error code 7, EEPROM, cause memory fault in control board. Solution, restart power, cycle mains. If still error, board may need replacement. Error code 8, emergency off, cause emergency stop button activated. Solution, release emergency switch, reset system. Error code 9, learning cycle error, cause door learning not completed properly. Solution, rerun learning cycle, ensure door moves freely, turn program switch off and retry. Error code A, motor fault, cause motor not working properly. Solution, check motor wiring, check motor condition, replace if needed. Error code C, overcurrent, cause motor drawing too much current. Solution, check for mechanical jam, check motor condition, turn program switch off. Error code D, DCW control unit fault, cause internal control issue. Solution, reset to factory settings, power cycle system. Error code E, relay test fault, cause relay inside board not working. Solution, restart system, replace control board if needed. Error code L, commissioning error, cause wrong motor direction during setup. Solution, reverse motor direction, rerun commissioning, ensure door opens correctly. So guys, these are all Dorma ES200 error codes from 0 to L. If you understand these, troubleshooting becomes very easy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon for more automatic door solutions. If you want, I can also create thumbnail ideas.